How to fix Santander US bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Santander Bank, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app Santander US. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is only to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of delete app. Then click on delete app again. With that, the app will be deleted from your device. Then you can close this, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app Santander Bank. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Santander US app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.